Most people are doing push-ups wrong, and it's ruining their shoulders. Seriously, if your push-ups feel harder than they should, or your shoulders ache afterward, this video is gonna change everything. Let's be honest. We've all seen those wobbly, half-range, elbow-flared push-ups. Maybe you've even done them. No shame. Most of us learned push-ups the same way. Just drop to the floor and start cranking out reps. But here's the twist. Those common mistakes are exactly why your push-ups feel weak, unstable, and inconsistent. And in a minute, I'll show you the simple fix that instantly makes push-ups feel smoother and stronger. But first, we need to understand what's actually going wrong. Start with your shoulders. Think of your shoulder blades, your scapula, like the foundation of a house. If they wobble, everything above them collapses. Most people either pinch them too tight, over-retracted, or let them wing out like chicken wings. Instead, you want active protraction, a gentle push through the floor that wraps your shoulder blades around your rib cage for stability. But here's the part most trainers won't tell you. Your hands matter just as much. Place them slightly wider than shoulder width, fingers gripping the floor. Elbows should aim about 30 to 45 degrees from your body, not flared out, not pinned in. Your core is your plank. If your hips sag or pike up, the push-up becomes a completely different exercise. Engage your glutes and ribs, like you're zipping up a tight jacket. Everything locked in one straight line. Myth break. More reps does not mean better. 10 perfect push-ups build more strength and muscle than 50 sloppy ones. Try screwing your palms slightly into the ground. This fires up your lats and adds instant power. Ever wonder why some people explode upward effortlessly? This is why. So here's your checklist. Stable scapula, aligned core, strong hand placement, controlled elbows. Now, try 10 perfect push-ups using this form and feel the difference. You've got this. Keep training smart, stay consistent, and your body will thank you.